So this video is essentially just talking about the placebo effect. A lot of people know what that is. That can be used in many ways in regards to whether it's everyday life, medication, the gym, just a lot of ways you can use it. The word placebo comes from to Latin. It means I will please. So a lot of doctors will give medication, pills, whatever, that don't have any proven medical effects, but for whatever reason, it does help the person. So, for instance, like a sugar pill, that's a good example in regards to a placebo. One of the good examples that I can kind of relate to is as far as what people take at the gym or what they do prior to the gym in regards to like a pre-workout. A lot of that stuff is just in your head, so to speak. If you take it, you feel like it's going to give you a lot of extra strength or energy, whatever. It's not really doing much, but it's certainly telling your brain that at least you're thinking it's doing a lot, so you can put a lot more energy or effort, or that last ditch effort type of thing. Now, in regards to the medications, there are some, at least according to Goldacre, there are, the colors play a big part of it too. Just like when you want to paint your room, you really think about the colors. The same thing here. So a lot of the soothing colors, the green or blue, are said to be sedatives, or like orange or red, or to be more like uppers, I guess you can call them, an alerting type of pill. And so it's also a good way to find out if a medication does actually work in the field. They use those. 10 people are taking the actual medication, the other 10 are taking a placebo, and we can kind of really see, the outcomes of the people who are taking the medications, and the true medications, and the ones that are not, that are taking the placebo. So there's lots of ways that we can use them. So a lot of them are done through the psychological experiments, and so the control group, and then the participants who are in the placebo group really work. Just looking over my notes here a little. Again, as far as what I can relate it to is just, it's really what it does is just it really shows your mind being a very powerful muscle. Really, if you think it's going to happen, or if you think it's going to work, it's certainly your mind is certainly telling you as such that it would work. So that's really what the placebo effect can do. It really can help a person in regards to getting them, if they really believe it's going to happen type of thing. And it also can show in the medical field, if certain medications actually do work, and if they don't, and how they affect the individual in regards to their heart rate and things like that. And they can really see the effects of the medication. Thanks.